Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. This is Kendall Johnson. I just wanted to show you here again on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen my other previous videos, go back and watch some of my previous videos. In this one today, we're going to talk about mail money secrets. It's a follow-up video. I had one sale in mail money secrets yesterday and one sale of the Crazy Cash mail order system. So that comes out to a total of $550 for the day. So we're going to go over that. I'll discuss that real quickly. Actually, before I do that, let me just go show you some quick updates, and then we'll get to that here. This video might be a little while, so I'll create timestamps underneath the video and in the comment section in case you want to skip to a different part of the video. So actually, yeah, let's talk about the orders first. Okay, let's talk about the orders first. Yesterday, it was like almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon when I got a notification that I had an order. So as you can see here, this is the envelope. And what really confused me is that this time it was from UPS. And every sale that I've had for the past 6 months that has come in has been a order that has arrived in a priority envelope. Remember the last one from the other day that came in this envelope? They all come in either the small envelope like that or the big priority envelope like this one, right? So in this case, I got one from UPS, so I really didn't know what it was. Long story short though, I opened this yesterday because I didn't know what it was. So it basically was another order for the Crazy Cash mail order system, and the payment for $450 is inside in a money order. All right. So this was another sign up. And like I said, I'm not going to show it to you in this video, but I think I did want to announce in this video that I've had 7 sales so far in the Mail Money Secrets program, 7 sales. So that's doing well. And another thing that I did was since I was going to the post office every day because I was sending out priority mail for everyone who signed up, I made a little form here to keep myself more organized and make it easier when I put together all the names and addresses of people whose orders that I was sending into the company at Mail Money Secrets. So I have this one here. I can share this with people when you sign up. This will be a part of your marketing kit and your welcome kit when you join. So that's pretty cool. And then also I just wanted to show you once again, briefly, one of the ways that I'm promoting by means of flyer. I have like a little over 100 flyers here. I have to cover up what the flyer says, but this is the flyer that we have, so that is available. Some people have been asking about it. That's my flyer that I'll share with people who are actually going to join my team, because that flyer costs a lot of money. And also just to show a couple of envelopes that I have going out today, because I have been mailing out. I have a bunch that were mailed out before. So this is basically the envelope that I'm using to send out the Mail Money Secrets, right? You put the flyer along with this envelope, and we'll see how that continues to go. So one of the other important things that I wanted to talk about is the upgrading to $1,000 in the higher levels. So far, most of the people who I've been talking to about this program behind the scenes, especially people who are getting in the program, they're pretty much all excited about being at the $1,000 level or higher. So what I wanted to say in this video is that there's going to be a lot of people who are going to buy the book for $100, and that's it. They're not going to do any upgrades. There's nothing wrong with that, right? You want to get this book into as many hands as possible, because the book is actually going to be of a benefit to many people, right? So you don't know who's going to take the information and put it to good use, but it's actually a good book for people that are unaware of what they're going to learn in the book. But also there's just people that are going to get to the book and they're not going to do anything else. So that's fine. What's going to end up happening is, as you market the Mail Money Secrets, let's say, for example, you sell 50 books, 50 people buy the book from you. You don't know how many of those people are going to upgrade to higher levels, but you can bet that there's going to be some people who are going to want to upgrade, because that's one of the beautiful parts of the program, is that the way it's set up, it makes people so excited to get in at the $100 book purchase that by the time they get in and see how the system works, they're going to want to continue with the program, and they're going to want the opportunity to earn $1,000 commissions. Other people will. So like I said, it won't be everybody, but there's going to be a good number of people who are going to want to upgrade to the $1,000 level. So what that means is, the whole point is that I was talking to one of my friends and I said, listen, we're going to have to continue to promote this program, because as we promote it on and on and on, we're going to be getting sales for the book, but we're also going to start running into people that are going to want to do the upgrade, whether it's going to be immediately or at a short time afterwards. There's people who are going to get in, see the book, and they're going to want to do the upgrade. And basically, if you're somebody looking at this program who has a goal of making $20,000, $30,000, or $40,000 in the next few months, you're going to need a way that you can make that kind of money. And if you're earning $1,000 per sale, you can basically just do the simple math and ask yourself, well, how much do I have to promote this until I find a certain amount of people that are going to make me the income that I'm looking for? If you want to make 20,000, you have to promote with postcards or flyers or something like that until you brought in 20 people in the program who basically had the same vision, saw the value in the way the system was set up, and decided that they wanted to upgrade $4,000. $1,000 is really not a lot of money because a lot of people spend that on a lot of different stuff all the time. So the key is that we're going to want to find the people who are serious about making money, and I'm pretty sure those are the people that you're going to find upgrading. And it's already something that I'm experiencing behind the scenes. It's nothing that I can announce or put on a video yet, but when the time comes that I could actually make an official video discussing the upgrades, that will be, let's just say, in the near future. All right, but right now we're in the program for a little bit over a week, so we're taking things as baby steps. Like I said, I have 7 people. It almost, well, I would think that I could wait until I had 10 people to do the upgrade, but I really can't wait that long. Otherwise, I would have loved to make videos showing you how to start in the program with the $100 and buy the book and just save up your money and then turn it back into the upgrade, right? But in this video, I'm going to have to upgrade before I get to 10 sales of the book. So that was it. That's just what I wanted to say about that. Now, the other thing is, this is really the important part on how to end this video. I did want to show you something else. There's 2 things we're going to do before I get to the end of the video. The first thing is, I'm currently building a training website. So this one right here is going to have all the training materials, access to the video training that I'm going to be providing with. And it's also going to have the places for you to get your postcards, your leads, and all the stuff that's recommended for our team. Another thing is, today I sent out a text message to some of the people who are on the team to let them know that if you're somebody who's new to the business or new to the industry, I'm going to make sure I set aside a specific amount of extra time to make sure that you got everything that you need and you got everything set up. And the reason is, I'd like you to upgrade at some point in time in the future. And the best way for me to make sure that that happens is that I take the time to make sure that I walk you through all the steps that I think that you should be taking so that you can start getting enough results where you're going to be ready and willing and wanting to upgrade to the $1,000 level. All right. So I've sent that message out. That's just basically what's going to come along with this program, is that it makes sense for the person who you get in the program to try to help you. All right. Because that's it. The more people you're helping, the more people that essentially might upgrade to that $1,000 level. And by the time 6 months pass by, that could be a nice amount of income that you're making from this program, which everyone starts at for just $100. So the training site is coming. The other thing is also, there's going to be a welcome kit. We're currently building a welcome kit so that when you come on board our team, we're going to give you all of the resources. We're going to give you an explanation of how the system works. We're going to give you an explanation of how you can achieve your goals and what type of numbers you need to be performing at in terms of like advertising and postcards. And let's see here, going down towards the bottom, all of the different sales letters that we have a few different sales letters already prepared and ready for you to start using. I have mine, and there's some other additional ones here, but this is all going to be in our resources training kit that you have access to as soon as you join. Now, right now, the way that I have this set up, it's on a temporary basis because we're going to make it nicer, but it's a PDF that I'll share with you that's basically going to put all of that stuff right on the screen as soon as you join, so that you can see where we're getting our leads from, where we're getting our printing from, and some other sources for advertising. All right, so that's another thing that's good about being part of the team. And now I think I might be ready to go to another thing I wanted to show you really quick here. I'm going to have my postcard resource, but we also have a postcard service that the company offers back here. The pricing, not too much. I already mentioned it. It's like 75 cents per piece, but this is just one of the forms that you get when you join the program that is going to allow you to just purchase postcards and have them mailed out on your behalf if you don't want to do the postcard mailing yourself at home. All right, so the big thing that I wanted to talk about is YouTube. So I've been talking to people who have been watching the videos, and basically there is some interest in people who want to get on YouTube to advertise and market. And like I said before, if I help you to make money, essentially I might be making more money at the same time. So with YouTube, there's people that are going to want to be into the mail money secrets at the $1,000 level or higher. So if you're somebody who's planning on being at the $1,000 level, if you're considering being at the higher level, you're included as well. But at the very least, if you're somebody who wants to get in this program at the $1,000 level, or at least upgrade at some point in time soon when you can be a part of our YouTube ads campaign. Now, I'm going to be making the video because for somebody who's just getting started in this type of business, you probably are not going to know how to make the best type of video to run a YouTube ad. but I'm going to let you guys use my video to run YouTube ads. Okay. And that's one of the ways that I'm going to be generating leads for this program and a couple of other programs that I'm using. But the truth is that if you don't have a YouTube presence right now, if you don't have a channel with videos, if you're not getting views, if your channel is not monetized, this might be the best opportunity for somebody who wants to get involved with the YouTube space. And when I say that, I mean more than just making a few sales. I mean on a professional level. So I'll connect you with someone who can set up your YouTube ads for you, and someone who can basically do all the managing of your advertising for the whole month. So that means that you don't have to learn how to set up YouTube ads. You don't have to learn how to create videos. All that stuff will be set up for you, and someone else will manage it. Now, pricing for the management, we can get some management very cheap, maybe like in some cases $100 a week. So it really depends on which person we go to, because we have more than one selective vendor to use for these services. But generally speaking, we're going to plug you in with someone who can manage all that stuff. So you don't have to learn how to do ads. You don't have to learn how to create a website. All those different things that I set up for myself, I actually just paid somebody else to do the stuff that I'm not familiar with, like websites and that type of stuff. I know how to do modifications, but I didn't create my website from scratch. I just asked somebody else to do it. So we'll plug you into all those services. And that's one of our main focus right now. I just got off the phone with someone who's already interested in getting involved with the YouTube ads that we're going to be doing. He didn't have that much information about the YouTube ads. So as I was explaining to him, he pretty much understood that it's pretty much a good idea, right? It's pretty much a good idea. So I know that he's not the only person who I spoke to who wants to get involved with the YouTube ads. So if you're somebody else who watches this video before the next one comes up to the channel in the next few days, I just want to make sure that you know, if you're interested in getting involved with our YouTube ads and you're interested in the Mail Money Secrets program, and you think that you might potentially want to get up to the $1,000 level because you want to earn $1,000 commissions, we're going to help you to make money with that program by introducing to you our YouTube campaign ads, which I'll be making the videos for, so you don't have to have a channel or make videos. And we're going to use those videos in order to get leads, to get sales into our high ticket program. Like, that's basically where our focus is. As you know, the Mail Money Secrets, it goes up to $9,000 commissions. We're going to be using the YouTube platform in order to share our opportunity with people. And at some point, you know, you're going to see people deciding to upgrade to different levels, even above the $1,000 level. And that's what our focus is for the rest of this year. If we're going to make money in this program or any program, we kind of like want to make the maximum of what's possible. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching this video. Like I said, there should be some more updates coming soon. This is just the one that I wanted to give for today, which was that yesterday was a surprise. We had a great day yesterday by the day was over. And also I have, another thing I just wanted to show you real quick before I go is that everyone so far who has ordered the Mail Money Secrets book has had their book order shipped out to the admin by, priority mail. So it's a little bit slow right now loading these screens here because I have the recorder on the screen. But basically, I have all of the different tracking for all of the different orders. As you can see, some of these were delivered. The first two I showed you were orders that have already been delivered to the admin. But every other screen that I open here is a different tracking number for everyone has ordered. So this one here, it says delivered, right? That one delivered, this one delivered, and sometimes there were like 2 or 3 people in the envelope. But yeah, just wanted to throw that in the video at the end in case you're watching here, so that if you're somebody who's waiting for your book, I may not have provided you directly with the tracking number because there's multiple people in your package. But yes, here's the thing so everyone can see. I'm sending in your orders to the company by priority mail. And last but not least, the other thing I was supposed to mention is that I'm sending in orders right now directly to the company from home. But next month, I believe they're supposed to have the system set up where if you're somebody who wants to use a credit card or pay for the $10 for your customers' books online, we're going to be able to do that through the website, so you don't have to mail in any payments, and so that basically the person's book can possibly get shipped out the same day, if not next day, because you can send the $10 in for their book directly through the internet. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and be on the lookout for the next one, hopefully coming up soon. Talk to you later.